Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
In Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayah 106, it points out towards cancellation of certain verses. Will you please point out what those verses are?
Okay, actually this is in Baqarah 2 and Ayah 106. I will read you. You can write down this Al-Baqarah 2 and Ayah 106, and also write down Surah Al-Hajj. Al-Hajj Surah 22 and Ayah 52. Can you read Al-Baqarah 2 Ayah 106 and Surah Al-Hajj is 22 Surah and Ayah 52. Now the question is that according to the understanding, generally people are accepting this, that there are ayahs that are being cancelled. That people think that are ayahs, Allah cancelled the ayahs. And then they say that the previous revelations were like, for example, Dawood, Zabur, and the also Injil and the Torah. Some people say they were cancelled, now the Quran is final. You know, there are different opinions about them. They say, no, there are within the Quran, there are certain ayahs that are being cancelled within the Quran. So now let us see what the Quranic ayat has to explain what is being cancelled and how it is being cancelled, right? So now I will read for you Al-Baqarah 2:106. Is ma nansakh min ayatin aw nunsiha na'ti bi khairin minha aw mithliha alam ta'lam anna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. I will read this and then I will read the other one also. Surah Al-Hajj 22 and Ayah 52. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِنْ قَبْلِكَ مِنْ رَسُولٍ وَلَا نَبِيٍّ إِلَّا إِذَا تَمَنَّى أَلْقَى الشَّيْطَانُ فِي أُمْنِيَتِهِ فَيَنْسَخُ اللَّهُ مَا يُلْقِي الشَّيْطَانُ ثُمَّ يُحْكِمُ اللَّهُ آيَاتِهِ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ حَكِيمٌ. So translation, we cancel from the ayah, verse, whatever we will, or we make it forgotten, or we bring with a better one from it or a similar from it. Do you know that surely Allah is power capable over all things? Now I will read slowly and try to relate the Quranic ayat, Arabic text. Ma means whatever. Nansakh means we cancel. Min ayatin, from ayat. Sorry? From the ayat we cancel, whatever we cancel from the ayat. Now the question is, there is an ayat in the Quran, any ayat. So Allah says whatever is Allah cancels is from the ayat He cancels. Whatever He cancels from the ayats. Aw nunsiya, whatever He makes cause to forgotten is from the ayahs. Then He said, Nati bi khairin minha. So we bring with the better one from the ayahs. Aw misliya, or we similar from it. Now the translators are translating that we cancel the ayats. Allah says we cancel from the ayahs. Now the question is, from what Allah cancelled? From the ayat what? Whatever. Manasa means whatever we cancel is from the ayahs. So the question is difficult to understand. Let us see, I will read the ayat, then we come back and again then I will read the brackets which I will explain to you how and what. So in this ayat says, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا, Surah 22 and 52. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِنْ قَبْلِكَ مِنْ رَسُولٍ وَلَا نَبِيٍّ إِلَّا إِذَا تَمَنَّى أَلْقَى الشَّيْطَانُ فِي أُمْنِيَتِهِ فَيَنْسَخُ اللَّهُ مَا يُلْقِي الشَّيْطَانُ ثُمَّ يُحْكِمُ اللَّهُ آيَاتِهِ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ حَكِيمٌ. And we have not sent from before you a messenger nor a prophet except what he desire. Whatever the messenger desire, Shaitan encounters in his desire. So Allah cancels what Shaitan encounters, and then Allah governs his ayahs. Allah is knowing wise. So whatever the ayahs that Allah revealed, when the messenger was reciting or when he was delivering the message, the shaitan encountered in the ayahs. The shaitan. So Allah says, فَيَنْسَخُ اللَّهُ مَا يُلْقِ الشَّيْطَانِ. So Allah cancels what shaitan puts in. Whatever the shaitan puts in the desire of the messenger or the prophet. So Allah says, ثُمَّ يُحْكِمُ اللَّهُ آيَاتِ. Then Allah governs his ayahs. So normally Allah says in the ayat that the shaitan is always putting in the desire of the messenger of the prophet. When he can put in the desire of the messenger of the prophet in his ayahs, so Allah cancels that desires. Whatever the shaitan puts in. So Allah does not cancel the ayat, but he cancels from the ayat whatever the shaitan puts in. So now if I read the previous ayat and I put this understanding, you will understand. Ma nansakh min ayatin aw nunsiha. We can listen to me. We cancel from the ayah. We cancel from the ayah whatever the shaitan throws in the desire of the messenger. Whatever the shaitan throws in the desire of the messenger, Allah cancels. So Allah says, we cancel from the ayat whatever the shaitan throws in the desire of the messenger. Or we make it forgotten, the shaitan that throws in the desire of the messenger. Or we bring with a better from it or similar from it, that is from an ayah sign verse to cancel whatever the shaitan throws in the desire of the messenger. Do you know that surely Allah is power capable of all things? To give you an example, right now you heard a lecture on the ayahs of Psalm. If anybody in the audience had any concept which was not relating to the ayahs of today which I recited, so that concept is thrown by the devil. So when the ayahs came forward, to Allah cancelled that shaitan's desire by the ayahs, from the ayahs. So when the ayahs are recited, so any concept that we have, so what I was trying to say is whatever you listen to a talk of the Quranic ayahs, so before listening to any ayahs, if you had a concept and which is not from Allah or from the ayahs, so that concept is the throwing of the Satan in the ayahs. When the ayahs are clarified, so Allah cancels from the ayah that concept, whatever the shaitan throws. Whatever the shaitan throws, Allah cancels from the ayahs. Whatever the shaitan throws into the visual desires of the messenger or the prophet or anybody as such. Anybody today, if giving explanation of the ayahs and it's not coming from Allah, so Allah will cancel always from the ayahs. He will make it forgotten from the ayahs. So previous concepts or the shaitan's throwing is always been forgotten from the ayahs. The cancellation from the ayahs, forgotten from the ayahs. There are many ayahs verses that clarifies that. So this is how the concept is not, Allah never cancels ayahs.